This is my complete YAML blog. If you want to learn what is YAML, how to use YAML, what is the use of YAML, so you can easily find this blog in the description box and you can read. I want to tell you this blog is very important and you can see what I tell you in this blog. So yeah, table of content, you can see what is YAML, data serialization language, where is use of YAML. There is lots of things you can see right here on the screen. So this vlog is very beneficial and I provided some codes where you can copy and paste and you can check that this is code valid or not. So if you want to check this code is running well or not, so you can simply Google YAML parser. So you can find some editor. I want to show you YAML parser, how you check YAML parser, and here you can find some. I find some. I have checked it. You can see I have checked a example if this is valid or not. So this is showing me some error and I just remove it and I just copy here this code and paste here. So it's showing me it's a valid. So you can see here is it's working like arrays. So whatever I added in my YAML, whatever I code in YAML, this you can see this is working like a arrays, where you can see apple, mango, banana, it is storing like a array. And here you can see this is a size of 4 because here size of 4, here is 4 element, 2 and 2 4. You know that array indexing is start with 0, so 0 1 2 3. So if the size is 4, it's mean there is 3 element. I mean there is 4 element actual, but if you are indexing, so 0 1 2 3. So make sure you check it out this blog and you can find here lots of code and you can learn easily. And I have provided a video which is very beneficial where I have learned what is YAML. Kunal Bhaiya is teaching best. Subscribe his YouTube channel. You can find more on his channel, and you can also, if you want to support me, so you can sponsor me from sponsor button. This is very big amount, but you can choose right here optionally whatever you want. You can support me. So thank you guys. I want to tell you I am going to upload lots of blog where you can find Java and lots of Kubernetes, Docker, what is Docker, how we use Docker. So there's lots. So you can subscribe my channel also and you can find my blog. You can follow on my social links where you can find some information about the technology tech stack. Thank you.